In a typical college classroom, you might receive a syllabus, and on the syllabus will be listed the objectives of the course that represent the knowledge, skills, or other information that the students are expected to learn over the course of the semester. Let's just say, for example, that there are 4 objectives, and each one of those objectives is represented by one of these colors here. And over the course of the semester, as you take various exams and do homework assignments and quizzes and projects and all of the other things that are meant to test your knowledge and your capacity to fulfill those different objectives, points from each one of those objectives is accumulated. And in this particular instance, you'll notice that we're accumulating them here into a bucket. And at the end of the semester, the idea is that at the you'll then be able to look and see how well you have done. The problem is that by using a single bucket approach, you'll notice that there is no easy way to distinguish how you have performed on individual objectives, because by mixing them all together, there is no clear way to differentiate that. However, using a competency-based system, you'll notice that rather than a single bucket that everything gets poured into, there are individual buckets, and this would be true for each student. So we have the total number of points that are possible to be earned within an objective. Each student has a bucket for an objective, and over the course of the semester, students are doing the normal things. They're fulfilling assignments, they are doing projects, they're taking exams, the list goes on and on. The difference is, as they accumulate various points, those points are being distributed into their individual buckets for an objective. And over the course of the semester, they continue to earn those points from the total number of points that are available for each objective. When the semester is done, we then take a look at their performance, not as a whole, but by objective. And you'll notice that on each one of these buckets, there is a line. And the line represents the minimum expectation in terms of performance that the student would need to accumulate in order to pass that particular objective. So, as you can see here, over the course of the semester, this objective, it has reached the line, it's a pass. Same for this objective, same for this objective. However, in this particular instance, you'll notice that the student has not performed to the level that would be expected, and therefore the student would now know that on these 3 they have met the performance expectations, but on this objective they have not. And that's the feedback mechanism. There's no longer this bucket that is all mixed up with no way to differentiate. Now there's a clear differentiation, and the student knows exactly their performance levels by objective.